What is up, boys and girls? Pulled up Moab, Utah. It's about 4:30. Gonna spend the weekend out here. Got a decent group of guys for the weekend, actually. I think there might be a girl in there too. We're starting our day off here at Kane Creek Trail, which will then later develop into chicken corners. So, stay tuned. Really is a beautiful day here. It's 68 degrees, bright and sunny. Can't ask for much more in November. Alright, so we are on Kane Creek Trail, turning onto Hurrah Pass right now. Gonna start this climb.
Feel that, bro? You know what's happening?
You just don't stop. We're going over there. All right, we are on the move again, heading down to the backside of Chicken Corners, or the backside of Hurrah Pass into Chicken Corners. I've never been this far before. Last time I was here, I stopped right at the peak where we just were. Excited to see what the rest of this trail holds. So about an hour and a half into the trip, and now we are just kind of driving to find a camp spot, I guess.
I say, yo, you the golden child, bro. I'm like, feel that, bro? You know what's happening?
I think we might have found our camp spot. Is this the spot? Dang.
That's insane. It's fuck having 40s on a V6, dude. My end, like when I'm on
Day 2.
Good morning, boys and girls. Out here, day 2, Moab, Utah, backside of Chicken Corners. It's a little chilly, probably about 40 degrees or so. Had that electric blanket last night, so actually things worked out. I was actually too hot at one point. Yeah, man, we're gonna get some breakfast going, then we'll get after it. Stay tuned.
I saw these for sale for like at the start of the year.
This right here, let me tell you,
The kickback.
there's something else. All right, so check it out. I ran that electric blanket all night off this Jackery at about 95%. Waking up today, it's at 76%. So we'll see if we can get back up to 100 here in the next hour or so.
Stole my Costco one, the last Moab trip. Really? He was like, I'll buy it, and I was like, you can have it, bro.
All right, so just leaving the campsite, heading back up the backside of Chicken Corners, and gonna head back into town, regroup, and figure out what the next trail is. It might be fins and things, not really sure yet, but we will find out. Stay tuned. Oh, and we out here.
Go slow. Yeah, you're gonna drop off right there.
Perdón.
Go ahead. Backwards, back to this side. Dude, you think this is gnarly? Going up that section right there is even worse. Dude, we're almost done. 2 miles left. We end up where the side-by-sides were.
Come forward. Right before you get to the edge, you're gonna co-driver.
Oh, y'all ready for it? Oh!
Es que by him I see paper mache. So.
Hey, no rub.
Wow.
Alright. Passenger?
I'm selling the taco. Getting a fork.
Yeah, baby.
That last one's deceiving. Take it slow.
I also heard that.
Yeah. Oh boy.
That'll be alright.
Just give it a little bump. It's a little tiny guy. You're good right there.
Go forward low real quick.
Yeah, it's a little tiny one.